Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question about Infosys. Is Infy ready for a bounce before Q2 result? And we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before making any equity investment, as is always subjected to this. Also, a word about me. Alright, so this was my first call on 25th of July on Infosys, when Infosys was trading around 1500, and we have given two price target, 1550 and 1640. Okay, so on 11th of August we achieved this number 1630. So the first target was done, second target was nearly done. Okay, this is second time on 7th of September when I've given a buy call in Infosys. That time Infosys was around 1440 and the price target given was 1520 and 1610. And I think a week after, on 13th of September, we have achieved the first target. We reached till here, which is 1550. So first target was done. Second target we could not complete. Infosys started coming back from this level 1550, so we did not test it 1620. Okay, so the Infosys is or IT by and large in basically into downtrend. So in downtrend we are seeing or we are searching opportunity for upsides. Okay, so yeah, so we'll look further. This is as of today, 27th of September, and Infosys is trading here around 1390, below 1400. We can see the MACD is giving a buy signal, like MACD is turning on the buy side, and here we can see the RSI is just completely oversold. Okay, oversold. So this is also suggesting that a buying level will come. So if you look on the price chart, there's no buying signal, no EMA buying signal. Okay, and then this is a complete downtrend, just a carnage on Infosys, and here we are looking for an opportunity to buy. So it is 1397. If it comes down 20 point below or like 10 point below, so 1390 or 1380 is a very ideal price. If it comes to 1380, that is the buying point, and we should expect a target towards 1540. But we are looking for first price target as 1450, which is our near to 50 EMA, and second price target is 1520. Okay, so if you look from 1380 to 1520, we are looking for 140 point, and so roughly about 10% of gain, and this gain should come within less than 3 weeks. So I think Infosys result is around 15th of October. So during that time this number 1520 should come, and this is a 10% upside. Also note, if we are just looking only into equity now, we are not leveraging or using any option or any other derivatives to increase our gain. So this is just simple basic like price buy and sell. So yeah, for that reason 10% is a good gain. Okay, so yeah, that's about it guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.